Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the SUBZERU vlogs. Back here with another video just for you guys. I'm about to get ready and do the video, but before then, we're over here. We're getting the chicken grilled, getting the chicken done, extra crispy. We got a lot of stuff coming very, very soon, guys. Lots of updates been coming. Wheels have been ordered. So in the comments below, tell me what wheels and what color options you guys think I'm going with for the SUBARU WRX. The tires are about to get ordered too. But before then, guys, we have a very, very special video that I know a lot of you have been asking and wanting for my videos. That's right, y'all. You guessed it. It's the headlight video. I'll be telling you guys exactly what I did on my headlights and what it's done and customized my headlights to have them look the way that they look. So if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you guys want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I said, guys, keep doing the right things, keep staying motivated, keep staying blessed. Love over hatred, y'all. Let's have a great video. I got my mitten on my hands. Let's get it. Peace. Alright, y'all, so you already know we in here in the loft. Show you guys a little bit more about the loft right here real quick. So that's where the bedroom's at, you know. Got the nice pictures over here. Got the laundry room right there. Got the DJ room. Sorry it's a little messy. Got a lot of stuff coming. But anyway, guys, we're gonna get to the car. The door locked. You already know, got the elevator. Let's be on our way. Really quick, y'all, like I keep saying, man, keep working for your dreams, guys. Every day is a new day to go after what you love in life, what you appreciate in life, what you want to do in life. So let's get it, y'all. Let's go. So we out here. This is a little garage. You already know from the last video with the car, mismatched tires and wheels means do not drive the vehicle. So I am not driving the car. It is literally parked and it is chilling. I'll occasionally come in and start the car just so it can get, you know, everything circulating, oil circulating, and so the car isn't sitting. But anyway, I have a video, special video today. Also, you want a car cover just so it keeps a shine. I haven't drove it, but see how clean it still is? Alright, you guys, it's a little dark, so I'm gonna try and get some light just so I can show you guys exactly how the headlights are set up. So I'm not sure if you guys seen how the OEM headlights are set up, but these are how my headlights are set up right here. I'm gonna turn them on so you guys can exactly see exactly how they go. Is exactly how the headlights look, and I'll go over everything that makes them up, the housing, what's inside of them, just everything around them. So let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, you can probably tell on the left side right here that this whole assembly is different. The headlight's different, as you can see looking close. It's actually a whole halo built-in kit that I put instead of like the reflector. It's like a square light. The OEM one's kind of like a square, like orangish type of light thing. That was replaced, that was taken out, and this unit right here was inserted. It's a halo ring. This right here is basically very similar, the same headlight assembly, but the difference is the C-light is the C-light LED kit that you can get on SUBZERU. It's a little bit brighter than the regular OEM ones. So like I said, guys, first thing is gonna be the halo lights right here. Second is gonna be the C-light kit. The third is gonna be the new assembly right here. And just some things were taken out, some things were changed and just added. So I'm gonna go over, I'm gonna turn the lights on so you guys can see exactly how it works. Oh, and really quick, you might have noticed the carbon fiber stripping on the bottom and the top right here. I got that when I got the car wrapped. It's a nice little, you know, accents difference, especially with the carbon fiber grill right here. Got the carbon down there as well. And the carbon that's also in the splitter assembly right here. So don't forget about the carbon hood, obviously. So it just helps. Again, the wrap I got done at PK All Design. PK All Design, guys, where I got the wrap done. All right, you guys, so just turn it on. So one thing I forgot to mention before we get started, the HID bulbs are actually 8K HID custom LED bulbs that I got for the SUBARU WRX. So they're a little bit brighter, but these are 8Ks. These are the 8Ks. That's why they have a little bit more of a blue hue to them. They're not super blue, but they're enough to see like a difference. So you can see the white right here. That's like, you know, like a 6, and then this is the blue. This is like an 8K right here. Alright guys, so as you can see, the halo ring right here, there's no inside light, it's just a halo ring. They like to do it that way, or I like it that way, just so you can really see the halo ring. I feel like, you know, I've had a car that had halo rings with HID lights, but with that, you can't really see the ring. It kind of just gets blended in. So I really like this type of layout, so that way you can see the halo ring right here and the bright light right here. So it kind of gives like a little difference. So it really kind of gives, you know, the HID ring type of visibility, so you can see that, but also see the really bright light here as well. So I'll try to get a little bit closer so you guys can see. Make it from a different angle, so that way you guys can see. Let me back up a little bit. So that's how that looks from far away. I know the camera's not getting it, but you guys can still see how it looks from far away. It's just the way the lens is going right now. But see what I'm saying? So you can still see it. See how from far away you can still see it? So one very underrated aspect of these headlights, guys, is I blacked out the side markers right here. They're actually very yellow, but I got them blacked out in black, so that way you don't see the yellow. It's very nice, as you guys can see right here. It just gives more of an aggressive look. It really just makes it seem dark all the way around, and there's no like extra yellow. Here's one more look from the top. As you guys can see, the sea light is very bright, especially when you take out all the other lights and all the other components around it. It really just stands out that much better. I really enjoy just how it looks as far as the sea lighting, the HID bulb, and the halo kit. So one more time, guys, this is the sea light. It's a brighter kit from SUBZERU. That's an HID 8K bulb, and this is the halo unit that you just plug in, plug and play, take out the other stuff. You do have to take out your headlight, and you have to take off your headlight to be able to customize it and add these things. Well, it's not super difficult, especially if you have a nice shop that you know that's doing it. Let me move to the other side. Let me move to the other side so you guys can see. Sorry, I didn't clean off my headlights. I just literally just turned them on for you guys. If I clean off the headlights, they probably would look a little bit better for you guys. All right, what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna move the car just slightly into the light, so that way you guys can see it better. That's some of the homies right there. Well, yeah, another thing I did, guys, I also blacked out the little yellow reverse lights right here as well, so it really gives that kind of meaner look. The lights really do a great job. Subaru overall did really good as far as like their lighting and being able to just easily customize these however way you want. All you have to do is tint those rear tail lights, and this is the third brake light. You know, when you guys brake, it just flashes. It's really nice, really cool. I really need to get better LED lights for the license plate, so I'm definitely gonna have to order some of those. Just some LED bulbs to put in right there. But overall, guys, that's the lighting that goes on in my headlights and my tail lights. Alright, y'all, so thanks for watching the video. I appreciate everybody for watching, for subscribing, for liking, and everything you guys have been doing for my videos. Like I said, guys, always build what you love, always do what you love, and be proud of what you love, guys. So anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Have a great day. Remember, guys, keep doing the right things. Love over hatred, y'all. Everyone have a blessed day. Peace.